Welcome back. In this video, we're going to try a little exercise. And I actually want you to try this yourself. And in the next video, I'll show you the solution. Now, I've attached here a Watermark PDF. You can see over here that it says draft, and it's just one page like this. Now, you'll find this in your resources, but I want to build a tool that's quite useful that watermarks all my files. So remember the super.pdf file we made in the last video that had 4 pages? Well, I want to watermark this, all of them. So instead of me doing manually, let's say we had thousands of pages. I want a program that can watermark my PDFs. Now, why would this be useful? Well, in Hollywood, this is actually a useful thing to be able to do. Let's say you're working on a TV show. Let's call it Lost. And you want to give the script, which is super secret because you don't want the audience to find out what happens in the show, to your cast members. And all these actors are going to get a draft of the script. But we don't want them to leak the script to the press so that everybody finds out about it, right? So usually big companies in Hollywood watermark their script with usually an actor's name. So if that actor leaks the script, well, they'll know that that person has their name on the script and they're the ones that leaked it. So this is actually a useful thing to know. So how can we do this? Well, this is your challenge, right? What we want to do is ideally use the water.pdf that I'll provide for you. I want to write this water.pdf on all the pages of super.pdf that we combined in the previous lesson. Or you can have your own PDF file. So using what we've learned up until now and the PyPDF2 library, let's see if we can give that a go. And in the next video, I'll show you how I did it. I'll see you in the next one.